Hello to all subscribers or people who just happened to see my video. Today I will show you a signal on which you can make 10% profit per trade. In this scheme we will use Binance and Metux exchange. And trust me, the scheme really works. Let's register. I will register directly on the video so that you can understand. On this exchange, without KYC verification, you can trade up to $200,000 per month. As you can see, the XRP rate on this exchange is 10% higher than on Binance. This will allow you to earn money already at the first stage. First, I buy XRP on Binance. Since I am 100% sure of this exchange, I will start with the amount $5,000, but you can top up with any amount. After this, we need to top up our XRP balance on Metux. To do this, go to the wallet and click on the deposit. Here, select XRP in the list and click Show Address. Now you copy this address and go to Binance. Paste this address here, enter the entire amount and click on Withdraw. The money was credited to the balance in a few minutes. Now all that remains for us is to profitably sell our XRP on spot trading. Select XRP and scroll down. Here we need to select our entire amount of XRP. Finally click on Sell XRP. Great. From this transaction, we received over $5,000. Now we just need to withdraw them to Binance. To do this, go to Withdraw, select Tether USDT on the ERC20 network. Now go back to Binance to copy this address, paste this address here, and enter the entire amount. Finally, click on Withdraw and waiting the confirmation of the transaction blockchain. As you can see, in just one round, we have earned almost $500. I will continue to turn this scheme, and I advise you. Now I'll make a lap with $50,000. We follow the same method. So, I made over $5,000 while I was showing you this video. I wish you all good luck. Bye.